What's up, guys? So we're here at XMP. Had a little issue with my car, so I'm fixing the brakes on it real quick. I didn't want to do it myself, so I'm being lazy. Came to XMP. Check out the trophies these guys have. Too many. Wait, there's more. Sheesh. And this is the one we're putting in. Alright guys, so I just got some packages in. These are probably going to be half the restock. I got these sent early because I'm going to need them. Well, these I haven't added because I took these out for clean culture and I didn't update the website. So here I'm working on the wristbands, working on getting product pictures of these. This is going to be sick. Can't wait for people to start rocking these. Maybe you guys can see a preview of a new shirt. Oh, I'll show you guys that in a second. Here's black and just black. Okay, open this one up. Oh, the Japan shirts. These are one of the biggest sellers right now. This is the new release that we did. The 4BPP Racing Japan. And I got a new color coming out. So, it's gonna be dope. This thing is gonna be sick. Check that out. This thing is dope. So shout outs to my boy. He came up with the design and we went through it together and successfully came out with this artwork. It's in black and white. So I'm here in the garage right now and I got a special package. So as you know, I've been running K-Tune suspension for the longest. I've been running the K1 since pretty much they came out and I love it. I mean, I tried them at a low setting. I tried them at this ride height, which is pretty high now. And I had them soft, stiff. Like I played around with this thing for a whole year and I just love them. Nothing wrong with them, never had a complaint. They still look brand new when I get under there. But now I have K-Tune K2 circuits. So K-Tune offers 3 coilovers now. The K1s, which I am on now, the K2 circuits, and then the K2 circuits 2-way. And those are really advanced. And you know, they improved everything. The dampening, the valving, the springs, you know, they teamed up with Swift springs. So now you're able to select which springs you want. So you can go from 12K all the way up to 22K. And that's more than enough. I mean, for the drag racer guys, you want to go really stiff, you can go all the way stiff. For the road course, you can select which kind of spring rates you want. And also for the street. I mean, I'm gonna run them on the streets. Wrench, spacers, nuts, and the dampening. Alright, here are the rears. This thing is beautiful. Check out the Swift springs. 16 stands for 16K. These go on the rear. They're also available with the Type R eyelet. Alright, first impression, just out the box. These things look awesome. The color they went with is a darker color than the K1s. Also, the top hat has 4 bolts on there. Definitely different. You can tell they definitely made some improvements to the top hat, the valves, the dampening, because it's much heavier, you can tell. And I know it's not because of the spring, but definitely the spring's a lot thicker too. What's up? So starting this vlog, just skipped it all. We're in Jersey, right?
Yeah, we're in Jersey.
We're in New Jersey. Gonna do some fun stuff for a few days.
Our 60-pound bag.
No, he's my ride. Wow, this thing is straight from Japan. Even the cops are saying what's up to you. to bring out type R friends and some extra friends that claim they don't have nice cars. And Tootsie rolled up. We're just hanging out. This guy got his DC5 here. Rafi got his Integra. Bobby has his DC2. Fast forward, end of the day. It's Sunday night and decided to shoot the car a little bit. Got it here. You guys saw it earlier when it was washed. Figured I'd come to the mall and go in the parking lot and get some shots of it. It looks pretty good. I like it. I'm getting some nice decent shots. Getting some detail shots of the turbo setup.